Oh. Oh. Here he is, nice and late. You made it. Come on, man. These things are filthy. What's up, guys? We're servicing 450Rs on this PINK Bahama 41. Now these are nice and easy to change the oil. You got these here that always clog, so we'll be replacing those, but we'll open these up and drain the oil from here. Got the oil draining. We're gonna take off the apron here because there's a little rectangle screen, and sometimes on these it won't actually pee out any water because that screen is clogged. So I'll have to show you guys that. Pull these two 10mm off, and then there's a screen in there. Custom ladder. Oh. Alright, got the cowlings off. Change oil filters. And when the engines are empty, top them off. Where'd Winter go? All right, we're gonna reset maintenance life. Reset, yes. Reset, yes. Reset, yes. Reset, yes. Boom. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Tony.
All right, guys, we finished that one up. That was a simple oil change, and we got a punch list to do on his boat. I'll probably get to that next week, but we got to get back on a few other boats before the tournaments start. Thanks for watching.